As a part of CS50 web programming project 1 wiki, here is my Wikipedia web page. Here we can see the home, create new page, random page, and these are the pages which are created earlier. Here we can click on the CSS. Here is the description which we written earlier in this page. Here we can see this edit page option. From this we can edit the text in this descriptions. CSS equals to TY sheets. If we click on the save button, then the contents will be saved, and we can see our description, newly added description here. And if we remove this, just we need to clear this and we need to save it again. And coming to the home page, after, if we need to create a new page, then click on the new page, give a title to it like SQL, and give some description to it. SQL language, and click on the save button. We can see our description here, and click on the home button and we can see our newly created page here, SQL. And if we need to create another new page with the same name, SQL and content, and if we say that, it will display some error like a page with this title already exists, so we cannot create multiple pages with same name. And if we click on the random page, it will open the random pages, and if we can add as many pages as we require. So if we need to search our particular page with related text for the title and click on the search button, we can open our web page directly. We can also, it is a case sensitive, not a case sensitive, we can give a simple, if we give the letter like A and we can search that, we can get the results of the pages which consist the letter A. Here Django consists of A and Java consists of A. We can see the results which consists the letter which we typed here in the search bar.